AI training briefs brought to you by Smart Hose Technologies. Today's topic is pull-away demonstrations. A standard hose may cause extensive damage in a pull-away event. Without protection, an uncontrolled release of product and imparting forces of 10,000 pounds or greater on facility piping can occur. A critical event can endanger your workforce, cause production downtime, result in property loss, require expensive cleanup, and possibly cause harm to the environment. During a pull-away incident, every second counts to prevent a catastrophic spill. For optimal protection, add the Smart Hose safety system into your transfer application. In our first demonstration, we see that while the hose is being stretched, the valves of the system close without any user intervention. Note that a pull force of only 456 pounds was required to close the valves of the system, proactively shutting down the flow before breakage will even occur. Our next demonstration will illustrate the importance of the proactive valve closure of the system. For this demonstration, the hose has been pressurized with the breakaway end of the hose installed at a 45-degree angle. While the forklift pulls the hose, we can see the hose stretch, knowing on the inside the valve system is activating. At 838 pounds of pull force, the breakaway ring activates, and the pressure is held by the valve system, which has already been engaged. Thanks to the Smart Hose safety system, only the contents of the hose was released, and the facility piping has been protected from extensive damage by the breakaway ring. In closing, the Smart Hose safety system provides hose failure protection and breakaway protection. It is designed to withstand the harshest environments and applications. Contact Smart Hose Technologies for passive integrated safety hose assemblies, breakaway hose assemblies, and breakaway adapter products. We specialize in hazardous transfer applications for high-pressure cryogenic and industrial hose assemblies and offer fully customizable solutions to fit your needs. AI training briefs brought to you by Smart Hose Technologies. Today's topic is high-pressure hose assemblies. When a high-pressure hose assembly fails, the hose can whip violently, resulting in property damage, personnel injury, and even death. The Smart Hose safety system can protect your facility and workforce from the potentially devastating consequences associated with hose failures. Integrated valves will instantly stop product flow if a catastrophic failure occurs. No human intervention is needed to activate the system. Smart Hose Technologies offers a variety of high-pressure hose assemblies to suit your application requirements. Our standard high-pressure assemblies are designed for a working pressure of 3,500 psi, 4,000 psi, and 4,500 psi. Smart Hose Technologies' ultra-high pressure assemblies are designed for a working pressure of 6,000 psi. And the Smart Hose Cobra, the extreme high-pressure assembly, is designed for a working pressure of 9,000 psi. The Cobra comes standard with two-piece live swivel end fittings. High-pressure hose assemblies often experience premature hose failure due to excessive hose torque or twisting. The Smart Hose live swivel fitting is designed to allow the high-pressure hose assembly their ability to maintain neutral torque during pressurization while extending the functional life of the hose assembly. Contact Smart Hose Technologies for passive integrated safety hose assemblies, breakaway hose assemblies, and breakaway adapter products. We specialize in hazardous transfer applications and offer fully customizable solutions to fit your needs. AI training briefs brought to you by Smart Hose Technologies. Today's topic is loading arms. Loading arms are used for transferring liquids and gases to trucks, railcars, and totes. The transfer is done through a pipe system, as an alternative to loading with a hose only. The use of loading arms at industrial facilities has increased productivity through lower turnaround times and reduced risk of operator injury. However, the widespread usage of loading arms has added a layer of variability in pull-away scenarios. Under guidance from the Smart Hose Technologies engineering team, adding Smart Hose Technologies products to loading arms, such as breakaway hose assemblies and breakaway adapters, ensures productivity and safety requirements are being met, while protecting against an uncontrolled release of product, expensive facility damages, and operator injury. Smart hose safety systems add an additional layer of protection when using loading arms, especially in the instance of an accidental pull-away. Contact Smart Hose Technologies for passive integrated safety hose assemblies, breakaway hose assemblies, and breakaway adapter products. We specialize in hazardous transfer applications and offer fully customizable solutions to fit your needs. AI training briefs brought to you by Smart Hose Technologies. Today's topic is mandates. The United States Department of Transportation, through DOT Regulation No. 173315, requires a passive shut-off on MC-330 and MC-331 cargo tanks that are transporting liquefied compressed gases. The cargo tanks must have a passive shut-off system that can shut down the flow of the liquefied compressed gas within 20 seconds in the event of an unintentional release. This must happen without human intervention. Smart Hose Technologies safety hose systems satisfy this regulation mandate issued by the United States Department of Transportation. A few seconds can make the difference between a minor mishap and a major spill. Contact Smart Hose Technologies for passive integrated safety hose assemblies, breakaway hose assemblies, and breakaway adapter products. We specialize in hazardous transfer applications and offer fully customizable solutions to fit your needs. AI training briefs brought to you by Smart Hose Technologies. Today's topic is pull-away force and its relationship to the pull angle. Smart hose breakaway safety systems are designed to minimize the potentially devastating consequences associated with an unintentional pull-away incident. In the event of a pull-away incident, the Smart Hose breakaway safety system is designed to fail-safe at a predetermined pull force. As with all breakaway technology, the amount of pull force that it takes to separate the Smart Hose breakaway safety system is directly related to the angle of the pull-away. In the case of a pull-away event, the pull force can be greatly reduced if the hose port is configured at a 45 or 90-degree angle to the direction of pull. Here we show a pull force demonstration conducted at the Smart Hose Technologies engineering facility. Horizontal pull angle measured approximately 8,900 pounds of force. "45-degree pull angle measured approximately 1,300 pounds of force. "90-degree pull angle measured approximately 900 pounds of force. Therefore, Smart Hose Technologies does not recommend horizontal ports due to high pull-away forces, safety concerns for accidental releases, and concentrated stress on the hose assembly. Independent testing on pull forces versus angle of pull conducted at the Smart Hose Technologies engineering facility yielded repeatable results. However, actual results may vary from facility to facility. Contact Smart Hose Technologies for passive integrated safety hose assemblies, breakaway hose assemblies, and breakaway adapter products. We specialize in hazardous transfer applications and offer fully customizable solutions to fit your needs.